In this video, we'd like to share with you a delicious pumpkin quinoa bowl, which is perfect for the fall. First, cut open a pumpkin and remove the seeds. We will only use half of the pumpkin in this recipe. You can save the rest for other meals. Chop it into several smaller sections. Use the knife to remove the skin and then chop it into small pieces. Preheat a pan to medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of non-flavored oil together with 1 tablespoon of butter. If you want a lower calorie version, feel free to skip the butter, but I prefer to have it since it will make the dish taste better. Add 3 cloves of garlic into the pan. Sauté them until you can smell the aroma. Add the pumpkin in and stir it well. Cover the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, add a pinch of salt to taste. You can remove the garlic pieces now if you want to, so that you don't bite through them later, because they have contributed all their flavor. The garlic has served its purpose. It smells so great. Next, add 2 cups of hot water and 1 cup of quinoa. Cover the lid and turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, stir and fluff the quinoa. I also like to add some pumpkin seeds in. Not only does it make it very pumpkin-y, but it also adds a nice texture to the meal. Crack some black pepper. You can also add some salt based on your preference. Mix this well, and voila, that's the pumpkin quinoa bowl. This meal is great. It's got the fully cooked pumpkin, which is nice and soft, and has a garlicky flavor with the quinoa providing so much goodness. Voila! Thanks for watching until the end. We hope you enjoyed this pumpkin recipe, and let us know what you think of it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell button to see our future recipes.